गुरुभ्यो नमः। मातृदेवो भव, पितृदेवो भव, आचार्यदेवो भव. My dear students, myself Giri Prasad. I am a lecturer. I don't want to say my subject at this moment. Later on we can speak about my subject. We are meeting through this online class in this month. This is due to a pandemic situation of COVID-19, that is Corona. We are very unfortunate to have such a situation. In this month, generally we used to go to our schools with new hopes, new thoughts, new expectations, new friends, new teachers and all. We had a great joy in this month. But due to this situation, we all not able to go to classes. We all are staying at homes. But our learning should not be stopped. Nobody can stop us from learning. That's why we are meeting through this platform. We have to learn. We should not make this year as a zero learning year. Maybe it is a 0 year. I don't know whether it is 0 academic year or not. But our academics, our learning should not be zero. We should not waste our time. It's very crucial. Next year, I don't know whether our classes will be promoted or not. That is different issue. We should learn our subject. If you waste this year, means you are not only wasting 1 year, you are wasting previous years also. Because once you stop learning, you are going to forget the previous knowledge also. That's why please don't stop learning. I am not asking you to follow my lectures. It is your wish. It is up to you. But follow any one of the teachers' lectures continuously. Be in touch with books, not with mobile games, not with other entertainments. I am not saying that to be far away from your entertainments. Spare some time for entertainment also. Use some time for your fun and enjoyment. But make use of the remaining time for your academics and for career. This is also one kind of enjoyment only. Once you will be habituated for enjoying the subject, it is the real enjoyment. So don't forget to enjoy your subjects. Here I don't mean that subjects means math, physics, chemistry, biology, whatever it is. It may be your favorite subject. If maths, physics, chemistry is your favorite subject, go through them. If it is arts, go through it. If it is something else, go through it. If you have any other kind of extracurricular activities, music, games, whatever it is, enjoy that also. Okay? Now let me tell you a few things. Here you are following my lectures because of this COVID. As you are not able to go to your schools, as your teachers are not able to come to school, even I am a lecturer, I am not able to go to my college, I am not able to meet my students directly. That's why I am doing these videos and I am sharing these videos with you. But remember few things in your life. Your first guru, Amma. Always respect her. Next guru, Dad, Nana. Always respect him. Next, the person who paves our path. Who is the role model to us next to parents is our guru. Always respect him. Maybe you are in some class now. Till yesterday, some teachers taught you. Never forget them. Always respect them. You may watch my videos only during this Corona period. Later on, if you wish, you can see my videos or not. We all definitely go to our regular classes. We have to enjoy our regular classes. Then also respect your teachers first. Even if you are watching my lecture, first respect your teacher, say namaskar to your teacher. Please try to see your teacher in me, because I am in front of you at this moment. In my view, your teacher is God for you. Your teacher is great for you. Always keep in mind, always remember him. Even I respect him because he made you. You are able to listen my classes, you are able to understand my classes, means that's not my credit, it is his credit. So that's why always respect your teacher. This is what I thought of saying as a few words. Now I am going to say a few more words about our new world. As it is a new academic year beginning, we have to see how the new academic year will be and what we are going to learn here in this new academic year. We are here to learn something beyond our academics, regular academics. Here we are learning something beyond that. We named it as a foundation class. It may be an IIT foundation or a NEET foundation, whatever it is. It is a first step towards your competitive exams, objective point of exams. So as to write the competitive exams, we have to learn something beyond our books. We have to improve our skills beyond our books. We have to improve our thought-provoking nature beyond our books. In our regular academics, we generally see regular questions, repeated questions. But in competitive exams, we will never find a repeated question. All are innovative questions, all are unseen questions. In the exam hall itself, you have to think, you have to analyze the question, you have to understand the question, you have to apply the knowledge which you have already acquired, then only you can solve that question. So in this platform, we are going to inculcate such knowledge, we are going to improve your thinking skills, we are going to improve your application skills so that you can acquire the knowledge, you can solve any new kind of questions in future. Now, I will explain some examples. Maybe through that examples you can understand who I am, what I am going to explain in this year. So you are listening my voice, right? Have you ever thought how this is happening? I am speaking here, means I am doing something here, I am doing something here, I am doing something here, something is propagating, something is moving and something is reaching you and something is happening here, and that's why you are able to listen me. What is that something? Next, for the few minutes you are observing my hands, there is something in my hand. Maybe it is a marker or maybe it is a chalk piece, whatever it is, I am holding it. It is not slipping, it is in my hands. What made the chalk piece or what made this marker to be in my hand? How can I hold this? What is the phenomena helping me to hold this? You are observing me if I walk like this, even to and fro. If I walk like this, I am doing something on the earth and that's why I am able to walk. So what I am doing on the earth, what made me to walk towards or backwards? If I feel hot, generally what I do? I switch on the fan. If I feel dark, what I do? I switch on the lights. So if I switch on here, the lights on. What made the lights to glow? What is the principle behind it? How the fan is able to rotate?